Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. You have no idea how difficult this video was for me to film. मैंने ये दूसरी बार वापस अभी फिल्म कर रही हूँ. Last time किया था पूरा वीडियो बेकार हो गया था. So we are filming this again. I hope this reaches out to you and helps you in every way possible. So if I have not told you already, welcome to my Nykaa Pink Love Sale Recommendations video. मैं ट्राई करूंगी कि जो लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने सेल रिकमेंडेशंस दिए थे वो प्रोडक्ट्स रिपीट ना हो इस वीडियो में. सो आई ट्राई टू हैव मोर ऑफ न्यू रिकमेंडेशंस फॉर यू गाइस. तो अगर आपको वो वाली वीडियो देखनी है, मैं उसका लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल रही हूँ, तो आप वो देख सकते हो. बट ट्राई करूंगी 80% देयर विल बी न्यू रिकमेंडेशंस एंड 20% ऑफ कोर्स देयर विल बी सम और द अदर रिपीट्स. सब प्रोडक्ट्स के लिंक्स आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे इफ यू वांट टू गो एंड चेक देम आउट. एंड या दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ लॉन्ग वीडियो विद अ लॉट ऑफ स्किन केयर, हेयर केयर, बॉडी केयर एंड मेकअप ऑफ कोर्स recommendations. So get comfortable, get cozy, grab something to eat or drink and let's begin this video. Let's start with skincare. So the first product I have is the Beauty of Joseon Revive Eye Serum. This is the only serum that has ever worked for me, the only eye cream that has ever worked for me. It has definitely lightened my under eyes, soothes them so nicely. Even जब भी सुबह मेरे को कोई puffiness होता है वो गायब हो चुका होता है because मैं रात को इसको लगा के सोती हूँ. Such a great formula, very nice. So if you are also on a hunt to buy an eye serum for yourself, this is worth checking out. One of the most viral products I have with me right here, it's the Advanced Nail Mucin Power Essence by Cosrx. इसके वीडियोस आपने बहुत ज्यादा देखे होंगे, बट ये एक्चुअली वर्दी है. अच्छे से हाइड्रेट करता है मेरे स्किन को. जब भी मुझे कोई सेरम चाहिए होता है, बट बहुत ज्यादा नहीं लगाना होता है, बहुत लाइट वेट चाहिए मुझे सुबह के टाइम पे स्पेशली, आई अप्लाई दिस, देन आई अप्लाई माई क्रीम एंड माई फॉलोड स्किन केयर रूटीन. बट दिस इज रियली लाइट वेट, गुड फॉर मॉर्निंग. And yeah, even if you have dry skin or combination skin or even oily skin, this will work perfectly for you. Next I have is this Quench Dirt Dissolving Cleansing Balm. One of the best balms in this price range. मतलब ये जो क्लिनिक क्लेंजिंग बाम है उसका ये ड्यूप आप मान सकते हो या चीपर अल्टरनेटिव मान सकते हो इसको. मैंने इसके साथ इतना ज्यादा ट्रैवल किया है पिछले 4-5 महीनों में एंड मैं इसको इतना ज्यादा खत्म कर चुकी हूँ, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो. हाँ, क्योंकि ये ग्लास जार है, थोड़ा सा हैवी हो जाता है ट्रैवलिंग के लिए, but because I am a makeup artist and I always want to get everything off my face before going to bed, I will use a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil to remove my makeup, and this does the job perfectly. This also smells so beautiful, so fresh, soapy वाला स्मेल है इसका, बट मुझे अच्छा लगता है इसका स्मेल एंड इसको मैं बहुत ज्यादा खत्म कर चुकी हूँ. ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. बहुत कम थोड़ा सा लेने के बाद भी आपका पूरा मेकअप बहुत अच्छे से निकल जाएगा. इवन इफ यू हैव वाटरप्रूफ मस्कारा और वाटरप्रूफ मेकअप, एनीथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट, बहुत अच्छे से ये निकाल देगा आपके मेकअप को. नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव अ हेयर चंपी ऑयल फ्रॉम इंडी वाइल्ड. नाउ दिस इज अ वेरी वाइल्ड प्रोडक्ट एंड आई नो फॉर ऑल द राइट रीजंस दिस इज. मैंने इसको ऑलमोस्ट खत्म कर दिया है, आप देख सकते हो मेरे पास सिर्फ थोड़ा सा बचा है जिसको मैं खत्म कर दूंगी. आई यूजुअली यूज दिस फॉर माई स्कैल्प एंड देन फॉर माई एंड्स आई यूज अ डिफरेंट ऑयल बिकॉज दिस इज एक्सपेंसिव. मैं इसको पूरे बाल में लगाऊंगी तो शायद ये 5-6 बार भी ना चले. सो आई जस्ट यूज दिस फॉर माई स्कैल्प. आई मसाज इट रियली वेल. इट्स नॉन स्टिकी, बिल्कुल भी चिपचिप वाली फीलिंग नहीं आती है. ऐसा नहीं आता कि यार मेरे बाल में बहुत ज्यादा ऑयल है, अगले दिन निकालूंगी मैं कैसे इसको. बहुत इजीली निकल भी जाता है, बहुत दिमाग को शांत कर देता है. इट्स दैट ऑयल फॉर मी. आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस स्टफ फॉर दैट. Next, one product that I absolutely want you to try is this Tangle Teaser hair brush. इसमें मेरे बाल है थोड़े से, अभी तो मुझे निकालने चाहिए. This is the Tangle Teaser brush. इसको मैंने आज भी यूज किया था. I have very tangled hair, so whenever, even after washing my hair, I have very tangled hair. तो जब भी मैं पहले कंघी करती थी इतने सारे बाल, गुच्छे के गुच्छे बाल निकल जाते थे मेरे, एंड दैट्स नॉट क्यूट, राइट? सो आई स्टॉप्ड ब्रशिंग माई हेयर ऑल टुगेदर व्हेन दे वर वेट. बट उससे क्या होता था, जब भी वो ड्राई होते थे फिर वो टैंगल्ड ही रहते थे. So I started using this brush after a lot of recommendation videos online. I used this brush and it was worth it. It detangles my hair so easily, so easily, without any ब्रेकेज और इवन मिनिमल ब्रेकेज के साथ में ये डिटैंगल कर देता है अपने मेरे बालों को। एंड जब अब वो सूखते हैं, सो दे आर नॉट एज टैंगल्ड एज दे यूज टू बी, तो इनको मैनेज करना भी बहुत ज्यादा आसान है। दैट इज द रीजन वाई आई वॉन्ट यू टू ट्राई दिस प्रोडक्ट आउट। दिस इज अ लिटिल एक्सपेंसिव, बट ये सेल के टाइम पे बहुत अच्छे प्राइस पे मिल जाता है, so definitely worth checking out. Next from Nykaa, I have the Wanderlust Dreaming of Paris shower gel. This is the with fine fragrances of champagne and berries, and yeah, it is. This smells so fresh and good. It's like I'm laying in a big bathtub filled with roses, champagnes, berries, strawberries, all of that. Just a nice feeling to have. Beautiful, beautiful shower gel. Of course, hydrates, nourishes, whatever shower gel is supposed to do, but major points, major bonus points for the smell. It's so nice, so fresh. So if next you are in a hunt of a good shower gel, this is it. Next, I want to talk about is this Neutrogena Visible Repair Regenerating Cream, and it has retinol. This is a night cream. Wonderful night cream. This has retinol, so that is very great for our skin, and it's very thick and nourishing. That is the reason why I like this most, बिकॉज ये इतना ज्यादा अच्छा है, इतना ज्यादा थिक एंड नरिशिंग है। तो जब भी इसको मैं रात को लगा के सोती हूँ, सुबह तक मैं देखती हूँ माई स्किन फील्स super hydrated and moisturized and nourished, as you can see on my skin right now. And the retinol is a bonus point. So yeah, a good great product from Neutrogena that you can try out too. Another Neutrogena product I have is the Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Water Gel Moisturizer. This keeps on rotating between me and Aditya. अभी आदित्य ने चुरा लिया इसको मेरे में से, तो अब ये उसके स्किन केयर कैबिनेट में रहता है, एंड ही यूजेस दिस एवरी सिंगल डे। ये बहुत ही लाइट वेट है, बहुत ही ज्यादा। आई थिंक दिस इज अ परफेक्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव फॉर द क्लिनिक मॉइस्चराइजर, विच इज दैट वेरी वाटर जेल वन। दिस इज द सेम वाटर जेल वन। ये बहुत ही ज्यादा वाटर लाइक लाइट वेट फिनिश है इसका, but is super hydrating and super, oh my god, you can see this, right? It's super hydrating. So if you have dry skin or super dry skin or even combination skin, this is going to be it for you. Next up, I have the very viral DU In My Defense moisturizer, which was Alia Bhatt's favorite. Now I know why it was. It's a really good, decent moisturizer, but it's great for all skin types. Combination, dry, oily, all skin types. But if you have super dry skin type, then it's not for you. It is the best moisturizer to prep underneath your makeup. बहुत कम ऐसे moisturizers होते हैं जो आपके मेकअप को नहीं बिगाड़ते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा उसको ऑयली नहीं बनाते हैं, बट दे स्टिल गिव यू द right amount of hydration. This does that for me. That is the reason why I already have one in my stock, and I'm going to keep on repurchasing this forever because it's the perfect moisturizer underneath my makeup. That's the reason why I will keep buying this. This video is incomplete if I do not talk about the Mario Badescu lip mask. इसको ये मेरा दूसरी बार का रीपर्चेज है। इसको मैंने लास्ट नायका सेल में रीपर्चेज किया था, एंड उससे पहले वाले सेल में मैंने इसको पहली बार खरीदा था, और मैं इसको हर बार खरीदती रहूंगी। इट्स दैट ग्रेट, इट्स दैट गुड, इट्स थिकनिंग, इट्स मॉइस्चराइजिंग, इट्स नरिशिंग, एंड ये नायका के सेल में बहुत अच्छे प्राइस पे मिल जाता है, विच इज द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस वन। इट्स सुपर थिक, यू कैन सी। मैं इसको अभी जस्ट लिया था, तो भी मैं इसको कितना ज्यादा खत्म कर चुकी हूँ, अगर आप देख सकते हो तो। I absolutely love this one and I cannot do without it. I only use it at the night time because ये कुछ ज्यादा ही थिक है, तो ये पूरे दिन भर तो काम नहीं आएगा, बट नाइट टाइम के लिए ये परफेक्ट है। हेयर केयर के लिए आई वॉन्ट टू रिकमेंड द बेयर एनाटॉमी वॉल्यूमनाइजिंग शैम्पू एंड हेयर मास्क। मेरा शैम्पू खत्म हो चुका था, इसलिए मैंने उसको फेंक दिया था एम्प्टी बॉटल को, बट आई स्टिल आई एम यूजिंग द हेयर मास्क। तो इसकी क्वांटिटी काफी ज्यादा अच्छी है, अभी आप देख सकते हो। आई एम स्टिल ऑन माई वे थ्रू। दिस वॉल्यूमनाइजेज माई हेयर रियली नाइसली। आई हैव वेरी थिन हेयर, जिसको वॉल्यूमनाइज करना बहुत मुश्किल है। मैंने आज ही बाल धोए थे, सो या there are very few products that actually work for my hair, and the Bare Anatomy volumizing range within this brown one, I have repurchased this so many times, you have no idea, and I'm going to forever do that. इस बार के नायका सेल में भी मैं उसको वापस से खरीद लूंगी, but it's that good. They have a wide variety of range for all type of hair. मतलब किसी के अगर डैंड्रफ वाले हैं, किसी के बहुत पतले हैं, किसी के बहुत मोटे हैं, सब टाइप के उनके पास प्रोडक्ट्स रेंज में प्रोडक्ट है। I use the volumizing one because that's what my hair needs. Next, I want to recommend the Nykaa Delicate Vanilla EDP perfume. This is super fresh. This is so good. It literally beats some of my high-end perfumes. It's that good. It has vanilla का first power fragrance and इसमें बहुत अच्छी खुशबू आती है and ये काफी long lasting भी है. I actually really like this. मैंने इसको अपने Instagram पे रिव्यू किया था एंड तब से काफी ज्यादा वायरल हो गया था ये. बहुत लोगों ने बोला है मेरे को कि ये उनके लिए बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा है एंड दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट यू शुड डेफिनेटली चेक आउट इन दिस सेल. So the first product I have is this Makeup Revolution the True Icon Palette. Now ये बहुत ही जल्दी हर बार आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो जाता है. So इसका लिंक जो भी होगा ना आप इसको विश लिस्ट करके रखना, तो जब भी ये इन स्टॉक आएगा आपको पता चल जाएगा कि तो तुरंत परचेज कर लेना, बिकॉज this is one of the most beautiful versatile palette out there with the quality of the shimmers, mattes and cream shadows is top notch. This is one of the most versatile palettes I own. Can be used for weddings, events, parties, everyday, anything and everything basically. This is a must-have palette for this season. Next up from Makeup Revolution, I have their Pout Bomb Plumping Lip Gloss and it's in the shade Espresso Cool Nude. इसकी खास बात यह है कि because I have pigmented lips, it still shows up on my lips as its true color. बहुत लिप ग्लॉसेस नहीं शो अप कर पाते हैं बट दिस डज दैट. दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई दिस इज इन दिस वीडियो. सो इफ यू हैव पिगमेंटेड लिप्स और इफ यू आर माय स्किन टोन एंड लुकिंग फॉर अ ब्यूटीफुल ब्राउन लिप ग्लॉस, this should be your next bet. Next up from House of Makeup, I have their Face Anything Luminous Skin Tint. Now, this is one of my favorite brands when it comes to Indian beauty brands, and they have surpassed the quality of skin tints. This is one of the most beautiful natural skin-like skin tints you can ever own. Very lightweight, very light coverage. This can be used every single day. अगर आप कॉलेज या ऑफिस में लगा के जाना चाहते हो, this can be it. And yeah, this is one of the most beautiful skin tints you can own, and they have various of shades that you can choose from. That's also very good coming from an Indian brand, and yeah, it's lovely. You should definitely have it. Next up from House of Makeup, I have their Dab and Glow Easy Blend Lip and Cheek Tint. अगेन बहुत ही सुंदर प्रोडक्ट है ये. वन ऑफ द मोस्ट अफोर्डेबल लिप एंड चीक टिंट्स इन दिस quality also you will not find. It is so severely pigmented. I mean आप देख सकते हो इतना ज्यादा pigmented है ये, and of course it blends like a dream. It blends so easily, so quickly. You can put it on your eyes, you can put it on your cheeks, you can put it on your lips. Very versatile, very nice, and yeah, the quality is also top notch as you can see. Next up from House of Makeup, I again have their Starry Night Pearly Glow Liquid Highlighters. Now, they are the recent launch. Oh my god, they are stunning, stunning, beautiful. They give you the most radiant look on your cheeks. It's so pretty. I mean, I'm going to show you right here the swatch of it. अगर आप इसको थोड़ा सा लेकर अपने स्किन पे जहां पे भी आपको रिक्वायर्ड है वहां पे डैब करोगे, you will get the most pearly finish ever. And the खास बात ये है कि ये it will not move your foundation underneath or anything underneath. You just need a very little amount to give you that subtle pearly glow. Perfect name रखा है इसका, that pearly glow finish. It's so stunning and so beautiful. My favorite shade is Moonlight because this has that golden warm champagne shade that just suits my skin tone so well. It can be used for weddings, it can be used for your events, parties, nighttime dinner dates, anything. This is your next bet. Next up from Chamase Milano, I have their CMC Matte Foundation and I have it in the shade 06. This is not my match. The only problem with this foundation is the match, is the color chart. आप कभी भी ढूंढ नहीं पाओगे कि आपका actual color match क्या होना चाहिए, which is very bad. I am requesting the brand to bring out something more so that it's easier for us to find. But moving on to the formula, longevity, finish, this surpasses everything. It's one of the most beautiful affordable foundations I own, and yeah, it's definitely worth the hype. ये बहुत viral हुआ था recently in the Indian homegrown brand section, and it deserves all the hype it has gotten. ब्यूटिफुल स्किन लाइक फिनिश है, बहुत ही नेचुरल है, मीडियम टू फुल कवरेज में आता है. आप इसको बिल्ड भी कर सकते हो इफ यू वांट टू. वेडिंग्स के लिए ये परफेक्ट है बिकॉज इट हैज दैट ग्लोई स्किन लाइक फिनिश ऑल्सो जो आपको बहुत ज्यादा रेडियंट दिखाता है. एंड या आई मीन इट्स ब्यूटिफुल. नेक्स्ट अप फ्रॉम कीरो ब्यूटी आई हैव देयर 4-in-1 लिक्विड लिपस्टिक स्टैक्स। ये दो स्टैक्स है जिसमें 8 न्यूड लिपस्टिक्स है। जब भी मैं इनको कैरी करती हूँ, आई डू नॉट कैरी एनी अदर न्यूड लिपस्टिक्स बिकॉज आई डू नॉट नीड देम. I can mix and match them. I can use them on its own. They are perfect for my skin tone. I use them for weddings, for my travels, for my vacations, for anything and everything. ये मेरे पर्स में होंगे ही होंगे, ये मेरे ट्रैवल बैग में हमेशा होंगे. मैंने हर बार हर जगह इनको पिछले 2 साल से रेकमेंड करती आई हूँ बिकॉज 2 साल हुए मुझे इनको ट्राई करते हुए. They are the best out there, and in terms of quality of these liquid lipsticks, top notch. I mean, you cannot beat Kiro when it comes to liquid lipsticks and the shades especially. I have gotten so many questions about what am I wearing on my lips, what is that shade, what is that shade. हर बार इनमें से किसी ना किसी एक शेड होता है या दो का शेड का मिक्सचर होता है. You need them in your life. Next up from Charlotte Tilbury, I have their Air Blush Flawless Finish Compact Powder. I have already hit pan on this one, so you know how much I love this. I will soon have to repurchase this. I know for sure. That is why my heart breaks because it is expensive, but it is worth all the money. I have dry skin, so जब भी मैं कोई wintry जगह पे जा रही हूँ या winters Delhi में भी है, I know my skin will not be able to take those very mattifying compact powders. This comes to rescue at that point of time. It's very very lightweight and not too mattifying. It's right in between जो formula है इसका. It's not drying at all, so that is the reason why I know I can depend on this one. पूरे दिल्ली की सर्दी में, पूरे जब भी मैं अपने हनीमून पे भी गई थी उज़्बेकिस्तान कजाक, वहां पे भी -8 -4 डिग्रीज था. This compact came to my rescue and I know I cannot live without this one. Next up from L'Oreal, I have their Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I do not know why did I try this so late. It's been out there for so many years. I cannot believe why was I so late on trying this out. Best full coverage concealer ever in this price range. You cannot beat it. It's long wearing, it's full coverage, it does not crease on me for so long. I have a very creasy under eyes, so I know when a concealer works for me, and I can also use this without any foundation, just this concealer all over my face, and I am good to go. So good, so good. You have to try this out if you still haven't. If you already have, I know you are better than me, but yeah, that's it. Next up from K Beauty, I have the compact powder. Again, this is my third time purchasing this and third time I have hit pan on this one. I keep repurchasing this, keep restocking this because it's one of the most beautiful formulas out there in this price range. It is mattifying, so if you have oily skin, this will also work for you. If you have combination skin, this will also work for you. In summers मेरे लिए बहुत ज्यादा काम आता है, so I know this is a good one and it's not too drying but it is a little drying, so of course that is a good quality in a compact powder. It literally away all the oil from my face and it's that good. I'm in the shade 100 and light and I will keep on repurchasing this till the time I can, and yeah, I hope they never discontinue this product. Again from K Beauty, I have one of the best launches from them in a very long time. It's their Velvet Cream Multi-Use Blush and I have it in the shade Tender. मैंने इसके बारे में आई गेस एक दो वीडियो पहले भी बात किया था इन माई जनवरी फेवरेट्स और इन माई 2024 फेवरेट वीडियो. This is just so good. I have never liked a K Beauty blush before, but this just did its job perfectly. It blends so quickly. Like आप यकीन नहीं करोगे, ये मैंने यहाँ पे लगाया है and within like next 5 to 10 seconds I can blend this out. Like, what is this magic? Like, what is this sorcery? I don't know. How does it take like no time in blending this formula? They killed it with it. Like, if you're a beginner or in a hurry, or if you want that very fresh cheeks but do not want a lot of work in it, even without makeup, this is going to look so beautiful. Like, so beautiful. Next up from Milani, I have their beautiful baked blushes and the shade Dolce Pink I have had for the longest time. You can see सब नाम वाम सब कुछ उड़ चुका है. ये बहुत ही ज्यादा सुंदर सुंदर ब्राइडल ग्लो शेड है. मैंने अपने वेडिंग में भी इसको यूज किया था, सो आई नो. थोड़ा सा लेकर अपने चीक्स पे लगा लो, जो भी नीचे एग्जिस्टिंग ब्लश है उसको रहने दो, एंड उसके ऊपर ये लगाओगे, उफ, द रेडियंस, द ग्लो इट विल गिव यू इज सरियल। मतलब इतने ज्यादा फाइन फाइन पार्टिकल्स है इसमें शाइन के, इट्स नॉट चंकी, इट्स नॉट टू हैवी, इट्स जस्ट द मोस्ट परफेक्ट वन आउट देयर। बहुत ही सुंदर सा ग्लो देगा आपके चीक्स को। आई मीन इट्स नॉट टू ओवरपावरिंग, नॉट टू ओवर लुकिंग, it's just the most beautiful radiant glowy shade ever. And of course this is my new favorite, that is Coralina. I used it and this gives you that most beautiful sun kiss, sun glow looking cheeks. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I think Milani baked blushes के बारे में सबको पता है, पूरी दुनिया को पता है, so yeah, you cannot go wrong with this. Next up from Milani only, I have their Fetish Matte Cream Lipsticks. They are one of the best formulas out there. I know they are a tad bit more expensive than other lipsticks, but the shades, I have not had a dupe for this in the longest time. I have not been able to find a dupe for these lipsticks. The formula wise, the shade wise, the texture wise, so good. Just so good and super long wearing, super long lasting. वन स्वाइप पिगमेंटेशन जो ये देते हैं, यू कैन नॉट बिलीव, ये इतने ज्यादा सुंदर है. आई एम गोइंग टू स्वॉच दिस शेड फॉर यू एंड यू विल टेल मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग. लाइक this, oh my god, this, I am going to swatch one more shade for you. Wait, like I was not kidding, the shades are so pretty, so stunning. Next up from Tipsy Beauty, I have their Hangover Proof Full Coverage Concealer, and this is one of the best concealers out there. It's full coverage, it's long wearing, it does not crease on me. I put this in summers, winters, rainy season, anytime, any time of the day, any year of the day. This will stay as it is on me. I do not know how did they come up with this formula, but they did, and I'm so glad that they did. I use it without any foundation also, I use it with foundation also. It's just one of the best formulas out there, and if you want to try this brand for the first time, you need to have this concealer with you. You just need to. If you want to invest in your first high-end product, it should be this Too Faced Born This Way undetectable foundation and the concealer as well. They are at massive discount right now. They always are at massive discount whenever the sale comes along, and it's the perfect time to get this one. This is one of the best foundations when it comes to bridal wear, even your party wear or long wear, weddingy makeup, anything. I know my makeup artist also used this on me on my wedding day, and I have been using this for the longest time. You cannot go wrong with this. It's made for all the skin types, skin tones. They have such a wide variety of shade ranges. Full coverage, yet they look so skin-like. It's beyond my imagination. How do brands come up with such great formulas? They do not cake up. They are beautifully blending across your face. They do not crack up. Just the best. I will always keep on recommending in every sale video I ever come up with. This will always be there. It's that great. So if you haven't still invested in them, here's your cue. Next up from Nykaa Cosmetics, they recently came out with their super light collection, and I was very skeptical about this mascara. I was like, blah, कौन ही use करेगा यार, मतलब कैसा ही mascara निकाला हुआ है उन्होंने. But fortunately, this is really good. I recently am going to put up a video. अगर ये वीडियो जब तक जाएगा तब तक ये शायद इसका रिव्यू वीडियो आ चुका होगा इंस्टाग्राम के ऊपर कि नहीं, मुझे पता नहीं है. But I am doing a video on this, and my lashes look really good. Like I was very surprised कि ये प्रोडक्ट ने एक्चुअली काम किया है, बिकॉज मुझे ज्यादा उम्मीदें नहीं थी इससे, वेरी ऑनेस्टली. बट दे हैव वर्कड एंड जस्ट ग्रेट एक्चुअली. एंड मेरी लैशेस बहुत ही ज्यादा छोटी है, तो कोई भी मस्कारा को काम करने के लिए इट हैज टू बी रियली रियली स्ट्रॉन्ग. And this was, it's not too strong of course, so it took me 4 to 5 coats of this mascara to get me there. But yeah, it was actually good product to invest in. If you want to try out a new mascara, this should be your next bet. From the same range, I have their Nykaa Superlight lipstick, bullet lipstick, I believe this is, and it's in the shade Floaty. Holy crap. First of all, this shade, this formula, so good. Like, so good. I mean, I am going to swatch it for you guys. Pinky brownie nude shade. It's so pretty. It's so good. And the packaging is so sleek, so stylish, so purpley, like perfect white, but of course the shade, and this is in the shade Floaty. Beautiful, beautiful shade and beautiful collection. I think Nykaa did some really great products, and they are really pulling up their game in the makeup industry, and I'm very thankful that they are. The next product I have is the Showstopper eyeshadow palette from Prosh Beauty. Now, this is a really beautiful palette. If you ever want to invest in just one eyeshadow palette that has your berry tones, your brown tones, your blacks, your neutrals, your shimmers, your basic shimmers, your wedding shimmers, your party makeup, everything, this is going to be it. Because ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा versatile है, इसका color selection बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. That is what I want to say. The quality is good. Is not. I'm not gonna say it's great, but it's good. It's very good. But the color selection is top notch. Like, they have literally every single thing in there that you will ever need, and that's the reason why it makes this palette the most versatile palette. Next up, from Elf Cosmetics, I have their Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray, and oh my god, first of all, shockingly fine mist. मतलब इतना ज्यादा फाइन है, you will not feel anything coming out, but at the same time there is something coming out of this, and it will set your makeup, lock it for the longest time. It's definitely worth checking out, because again, it's a perfect dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury one. So if you do not want to splurge like 3,000, 4,000 rupees on that setting spray, this is going to be it for you. Elf did a fantastic job bringing this out. So good. And with this, the combination of this Power Grip Primer that I've been talking for the longest time, the combination of this beautiful base you will get with this primer, long lasting duo, मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा long lasting हो जाएगा आपका makeup, and it will not budge for the longest time. Like, the duo of this will work heavenly for people like us who have dry skin, sweat issues, and yeah, I mean, you just need to try this out. Next up, from Elf itself, I have the Soft Glam Satin Foundation. Oh, what do I say about this foundation? It's just so good. It's so good. It's skin-like. It's natural. It's beautiful. It's satiny finish, of course. Perfect for dry to combination skin. I'm not sure about oily skin people for sure. But yeah, for us, for dry skin and combination skin, this works heavenly. Like, heavenly. Beautiful glow I get, and very long wearing. I used it in my honeymoon when I was in Uzbek and Kazakh, where the degrees were in minus. I was using this foundation over there. It did not move. It did not crack. It did not budge. So beautiful. Definitely, if you want to try a new foundation. Last product from Elf, I have their eyebrow pencil. ये मैंने last sale में खरीदा था. It's their waterproof eyebrow pencil, and I have it in the shade deep brown. ये इतनी जल्दी मेरे ब्राउज बना लेता है in few seconds, probably 30 to 40 seconds, and I'm done with my one brow. That's exactly how much time it takes to do my one brow, and 1 minute 1.5 minute के अंदर तो मैंने दोनों brows कर सकती हूँ इसके साथ में. It's so quick, and it also comes in with the spoolie, which is a good thing. So yeah, again, good product, definitely worth checking out. बहुत ही अच्छा है. अगर आपकी बहुत ही फाइन हेयर है, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा कम बाल है आपके आईब्रोज के ऊपर, शायद ये इतने अच्छे से काम ना करे. बट इफ यू हैव स्पार्स एरियाज लाइक मी एंड यू ऑलरेडी हैव गुड हेयर ऑन योर आईब्रोज, this will work for you. Next up I have is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. You cannot go wrong with this. You cannot go wrong with this. This is cult favorite of so many makeup artists worldwide, and that's the reason why I purchased this, because इतने सारे makeup artists को अगर पसंद है तो कुछ तो होगा इसमें, correct है इसमें. This makes my makeup super long lasting because I have a sweaty face. I have to try to find so many different products that actually work for my dry face and sweaty face. It's a very weird combination, but this does that job perfectly. ये बहुत अच्छे से मेरे मेकअप को सेट कर देता है, लॉन्ग लास्टिंग बनाता है, does not make it look cracky or spoiled or crooked. Definitely worth checking out if you want to invest. अभी के टाइम पे ये सेल के टाइम पे बहुत अच्छे प्राइस पे आ जाता है, so you should definitely check this out. Lastly, I do have a few brushes to talk about. So first is this e.l.f. blush brush. This is the best powder blush brush I can find. The perfect size, the perfect shape, the perfect density. ये बहुत ज्यादा प्रोडक्ट पिकअप नहीं करता है, विच इज अ ग्रेट थिंग, बिकॉज जितना ज्यादा प्रोडक्ट पिकअप होगा उतना ज्यादा आपका ब्लंडर होने के चांसेस ज्यादा है. इसलिए दिस पिक्स अप द राइट अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट, disperses them evenly across your face. So great, so good. If you want to find and invest in a good powder blush brush, this is it. Next up, I have the world's best concealer brush ever, which is this pack concealer brush, and it's in the number 219. I have been using this for the longest time, probably a year now, and ये हर बार इतनी जल्दी गंदा हो जाता है that I had to go on and buy a new one. मैं हर बार ऑफलाइन ऑनलाइन बाहर जाने के लिए, इवेंट के लिए, अपने फिल्म्स के लिए, जितने भी टाइम मेकअप करती हूँ, दिस इज अ ब्रश आई डेफिनेटली पिक अप. परफेक्ट साइज, परफेक्ट डेंसिटी, परफेक्ट शेप. ये इतना अच्छे से मेरे अंडर आईज में बैठ जाता है. ब्लेंड्स द प्रोडक्ट सो सीमलेसली, सो इवनली अक्रॉस द आईज. So great, so great. You need to try this out. Last recommendation of this video I have is the Mars brush set. The set comes with 6 brushes. I just have 4 of them right here. दो पता नहीं कहाँ गुम गए हैं, कहीं चले गए हैं, मेरे को टाइम नहीं मिला उनको ढूंढने का. But they are the best in terms of quality, shape, size, perfect just how the brush should be. Comes in with the foundation brush. This can be used as a blush brush, as a foundation brush, as anything that you want to, as a powder brush. This is one of the most universal, versatile brushes ever. This I use just for the foundation. This is a powder blush, be it your compact powder or loose powder. This can be your eyeshadow brush or your concealer brush, be it so. And जो last दो brushes है, those are eye brushes that I'll put the picture of them. I mean यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा होगा. Those two are eye brushes that you can use for your eyeshadow. Best brushes ever in terms of the pricing and the quality. You cannot beat them. So great. So this was the end of the video. I am so glad I was able to pull it through. I cannot believe it was so difficult for me to film this video because इतने ज्यादा ब्रेक्स, इतने ज्यादा पॉजेस ले रही थी मैं, अभी भी मैं ले रही हूँ, एंड मेरे से बोला ही नहीं जा रहा है प्रॉपरली बिकॉज ऑफ माई ब्लॉक्ड नोज एंड सर्दी खांसी फुल भरी हुई है. बट आई एम ग्लैड आई वॉज एबल टू पुल दिस थ्रू. प्लीज सोच समझ के अपने पैसे खर्च करना. बहुत मुश्किल से हम सब पैसे कमाते हैं. सो ओनली इन्वेस्ट इन व्हेन यू फील लाइक इन्वेस्टिंग इन. You do not need to come under pressure of any influencer influencing you to do anything. Please use your money wisely. And yes, I will see you in the next one. Bye.